We're going to graph this function here by completing transformations on the parent function. This is a square root graph. You'll notice I have the square root function drawn in. This is just the parent function, meaning g of x equal to the square root of x. That's this line right here. I want to graph this line knowing some points on the parent function. Alright, first of all, you need to do your reflections first. So we need to find out what's going on here. I see that outside all the values are multiplied by 2, so the y values are doubled times 2. And then I have to actually factor this out in there to find out what's going on. So underneath the radical, we have minus x plus 3. I need to factor out this minus 1, and it becomes x minus 3. So now my function looks like this. F of x equals 2 times the absolute value of negative 1 times x minus 3 minus 4. Now I can see that inside here, right there, I have a minus 1 now. So that's going to be the flipping over the y-axis, going this way. So we say we have a negative on the x, so we're going to flip it over this way. All the inputs are going to be multiplied by negative 1 after they've done that. So we have a reflection about the y-axis. Let me clean things up here. So we have double the y values, reflect on the y-axis, and then we have shifting to the right 3 units because it's x minus 3, and shifting down 4 units. So right 3 and down 4. Alright, let's take the dots that we know. Here, this one right here is 0, 0. So what I'm going to do is double it. 2 times 0 is 0. Now I'm going to reflect it on the y-axis, but it's on the y-axis, so it stays there. I'm going to move it to the right 3. 1, 2, 3, and down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my 0, 0 point from here to here. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to double this y value, so I'm going to take this y value and double it. Brings me up to 2, so now I'm here. Then what I'm going to do is reflect on the y-axis, so it reflects over to here, and then I'm going to move it to the right 3. 1, 2, 3, and down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that value right there moved to here. I'm going to keep doing the same thing. I'm going to double the y value, so to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. And then what I'm going to do is reflect on the y-axis, so we're over 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4 over to here. Now move to the right 3. 1, 2, 3. And move down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right there. And my last point, 3, 9, double it, go up 1, 2, 3, up to 6, to the all the way over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is off the page, but I'm going to move right 3, which brings me down here, and then down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my last dot. Then I'm just going to connect the dots. From here was my starting point, and off the page, right there. Put an arrow, and there we go. This is this line reflected over the y-axis. Y values doubled, moved right 3, and down 4. You'll notice I've put the points in now to see that the translations are right, and then it looks like a graph graphed on a graphing calculator. Now you'll notice they're the same. Basically this looks a lot nicer. This is the original, this is the shifted version, but here's what I did online. So it looks pretty close.